Alright, so I got the everything prepped. I got the hood clean. Now I'm just taking the vinyl out of the tube here. Got If you have any imperfections in the actual material, don't worry, because it actually comes out with, if you apply a little bit of heat, you'll have no problem getting those imperfections. Alright, so that's all good over there. I don't know what's going on with this section right here. It's giving me a hard time. Alright, so when I'm done wrapping it, I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so I can't stress the importance of having good lighting wherever you're doing it. If you're doing it outside, great, because that's the best, most powerful source of light you could get is the sun. Because you're going to need to view the surface at all angles so that you can make sure that all the bubbles are out and there's no freestanding bubbles anywhere, etc., etc. So